So the problem I had, guys, wasn't with this platform. Another crypto exchange, they took $1.2 million from my account. I had some problems with this exchange for a period now, for a long time. And yeah, so let's open the first trade here, guys. As you can see here, I'm trading on Quotex. I usually trade on iqoption on this channel, but I decided to share with you some of my trades on Quotex. Yeah, I'm opening with $400 with 1 minute expiration time, and I'm using the same strategy that I usually use on binary option. The strategy is explained in a course in the description below. If you have the course, guys, this time I'm using the advanced level. Go to the last chapter. Yeah, so my problem was not with iqoption. My problem was not with the binary with the binary.com, wasn't with the pocket option, with Olympic trade, with the Quotex. My problem was with an exchange, a crypto exchange. This what happened. I was trading on that platform, yeah, normally, and yeah, I don't know why, but they said that they didn't say anything when I was trading with smaller balance with 20,000, 30,000, $100,000. They never said anything. But once I started making good money, I made over $1 million, and I tried to withdraw my money. So the problem is that they had this I don't know, this rule or policy about withdrawing money from their account. You can't, I don't know, they took my money, they put my money on hold. And when I told them why, they said that you are not allowed to use your strategy or to use your methods, or I don't know. I was using a simple strategy that wasn't that complicated. I wasn't cheating. I was just simply trading. Everybody trade on their platform, and I gave them access to the course. I told them you can just take a look and see that I was using simple as I'm using here, using parabolic SAR, using RSI. As you can see here, I'm using RSI, using Bollinger Bands, also using MACD. Yeah, let's take this win and let me continue. So wait a minute, let me open another position. Yes, yeah, so all right, short. So I told them everybody use their strategies, everybody use the indicators on your platform. Why are you saying that this is not allowed? And why you did not say that when I started trading I was making $10,000 on your platform? You could stop me there. Why you waited for me to make all that money? They did not respond from that, and I'm trying to get my money back. I will try to talk about them on this channel. I will try to keep talking about them, and hopefully they will give me my money back. Hopefully they will give me my money back, because some or most of the crypto exchanges are fake. All right, most of them. They will let you trade on their platform, and when you try to withdraw your money from there, they will ban you or put your money on hold. Yeah, another win. Great. Yeah, beautiful, amazing. $400, an uptrend, a buy position. Yeah, great. So as I was saying, guys, be careful, because those crypto exchanges are one of the worst things that can happen to you. They will do their best to take all your money. So I advise you to look for a good one if you want to trade cryptocurrencies, of course. But if you want to trade binary options, yeah, there's plenty of other platforms. Here I'm trading on Quotex. All right, I'm trading on Quotex. Wait a minute, I'm trading on Quotex. I also trade on iqoption from time to time. I trade on pocket option, Olympic trade, not that much, but I also have an account on Olympic trade. And yeah, I don't advise you to use any one of them. what I tell you to do, guys, is look for good cryptocurrency, or sorry, binary option trading platform, and try to make your money there. Please, please, please look for a good one. And yeah, I guess that I will keep trading. Yeah, this is a down position. By the way, I'm not giving you any financial advices, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a trader who is sharing his trading sessions with you for entertainment purposes only. I'm not telling you that you will have the same results. This is a simulation of what is possible to be done with iqoption. I'm not guaranteeing you that you will have the same results. So please take your time. Please try to learn as maximum as you can. And yeah, with time, I guess that with time you will be able to become profitable with trading binary options. Yeah, this one is going down. I guess we still have two. No, I guess we still have. Yeah, this one is a win as predicted, and we still have two candles. Yeah, I know the colors of two candles. So the strategy is basically will help you predict the colors of the candles, and once you understand the colors of the candles, you will be able to open trades and decide either you are opening a long position, like in this case, or you are opening a short position. So this is a long position here, a buy position, and this is a short position, right? This is a short position here. If I'm predicting that the market is going down, I open a down position or short position, meaning that I predict that the market is going down. And yeah, if I'm predicting that the market is going up, I will click up, invest. Yeah, I don't know, everybody like to invest smaller amount. I also do that. I invest smaller amounts. Yeah, I'm trading with 1 minute expiration time. Euro USD as usual. I like Euro USD. Please don't trade with the other new assets. Try to trade with famous ones, most used. Yeah, I guess I still have another trade to open. Yeah, another trade to open. Let's go. All right, this one is going up. It's going up. All right. Yeah, a green candle is going to be created here, and yeah, I'm investing $400. If my prediction is right, I'm making 82%. And yeah, I will take with me $328, right? $328. Guys, if you are new to Quotex and you don't know what to do, there is here this icon. Click on this icon and you will trade on demo account, and this will yeah, hopefully, yeah, try on demo account and try a strategy. Once you understand that your strategy is perfect and making you enough money, that's it. So let me take this profit. Yeah, another profitable trade. Yeah, so see you later, guys.